Guys, it's just Andrew here from Tilesporcelain.co.uk. Just showing you on our porcelain week again, a couple more of our ranges which are on a fantastically reduced offer. We've got our Stone Effect Light Grey and Stone Effect Dark Grey. They're both 20mm thick with an R13 slip rating, so it means you can put them in any outdoor area with no risk to yourself, but always be careful. As you can see, the tiles are all reduced down from around about £50 a metre in our porcelain week down to £19.97 plus VAT. So as you know, you're never going to get a price like that for the outdoor porcelain in a 20mm thick substrate. So what I would do is I would get on as soon as you can, because these are on a limited time offer. And if you do get an order before the end of the week, there's also a further 5% discount off the tiles. And one other key factor on them is the grip on there. It's absolutely perfect. And with it being so heavy duty, you can have any sort of thing on it. I know a lot of people have barbecue areas on them, full patios. So it's perfect for a multitude of different things. So get in touch with myself on Denise on 0191 429 0279. And our website again is www.tilesporcelain.co.uk. Hopefully speak to you soon. Cheers guys.